Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we will be learning how to create your first board in Trello. First of all, launch or open your Trello application on your device and sign into your account if you haven't yet. Once you're logged into the home page of Trello, go to the upper right corner and tap on the plus icon. Now from the pop-up, click on Create a Board. On the next page, give your board a clearer name and then, under Visibility, select whether you'd like to make this board a private or a public. After making a selection, in the background option, choose the background for your board. Once you do, click on Create at the top right corner and there you go. Your board is now ready. Now that your board exists, go ahead and add a new list. Click on the Add List button at the top and then type in the name of the list and click on Add. Now, the next thing to do is to add a card. Cards are your task. Click on Add Card option and enter something like this and click on Add. Now once you've created a card, click on the card to edit details, due dates, checklists, and more. You can keep adding more cards, and in order to move the cards around, press and hold it and drag it and drop it between lists as your progress changes. So that's all. That is how you can create your first Trello board and start organizing your life or project. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.